Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back again in my English class. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about adverb. Today's material, please look at your books, page 38. Now, adverb. When you want to make a good sentence or you wanna be speaker that have used good grammar, you might know you're supposed to know what is adverb, when you use adverb, and what types of adverb in English. Now let's have a look about adverbs meanings. Adverb is the function is to describe a verb, an adjective, or another verb. Jadi adverb adalah kata yang menjelaskan kata kerja, kata sifat, atau kata-kata keterangan yang lainnya. In this case, adverb itu bisa diartikan dengan kata keterangan. Kata keterangan itu menjelaskan bagaimana, di mana, kapan, berapa banyak, dan seberapa sering. Now, let's have a look. Ketika dia menjelaskan bagaimana sesuatu itu terjadi, maka itu bisa disebut sebagai salah satu contoh adverb, kata keterangan dalam bahasa Inggris. Bagaimana? How something happens? Something happens quickly, quietly, slowly. Suatu itu terjadi secara dengan lambatnya, dengan cepatnya. Nah, it tells about how. How about where? Ketika kata itu menjelaskan di mana suatu itu terjadi, dilakukan, you can say above, back, outside, behind. Ketika sesuatu itu terjadi, for example, look at the above questions. Nah, above is tell where, the positions. Above is an example of adverb. What else? Back, at the back. Or outside, or behind, and many others. It's just an example. In this video, I just explain you the adverb simple way. Okay? Next is when. Jadi kata yang menjelaskan sesuatu itu terjadinya kapan, itu adalah kata keterangan, adalah salah satu contoh dari adverb. Contohnya apa? Now. I'm teaching now. Now berarti now itu adalah kata adverb. Yesterday. Example, we played badminton yesterday. Oh, yesterday ini adalah kata keterangan. And tomorrow and many others. Semua kata yang menjelaskan when is something happen, it's adverb. And then how much? How much? Kata yang menjelaskan seberapa banyak itu adalah contoh dari adverb juga. Beberapa contoh di sini entirely. Entirely. For example, I work entirely in my life. Entirely. Secara keseluruhan, sepanjang. Jadi hampir setiap hari ya, atau hampir semua elemen dia lakukan, berarti entirely. And then almost, I almost done my project. Saya hampir. Nah, ketika sesuatu itu hampir, or very, it's very famous, or it's very strong, and many things. Kemudian how often, seberapa sering itu terjadi. Example, I always study English every day. Oh, always berarti kata keterangan. Kata keterangan tentang seberapa sering. Sometimes, I sometimes read Al-Quran in night. Misalnya, boleh. Rarely, I rarely come late to school. Saya jarang terlambat ke sekolah. Rarely. Okay. Have you clear? Ini hanya sebagai sedikit saja contoh yang kata-kata keterangan. Many others. Okay. Now let's have a look. Kalau sudah tahu bentuk-bentuk adverbnya, sekarang kita lihat bagiannya. Kinds of adjectives or types, jenis-jenisnya. There are generally adverb in English divided into 4. First is adverb of place. When you talking about where something is happened, when something is doing, we call adverb of place. Example, I'm working in the garden outside. So, where's the adjective? The adjective is outside. What kind of adjective? What kind of adverb? Adverb of place. Now, look at another example. John did his homework carefully. John mengerjakan PR-nya secara hati-hati. When you talking about how something happens, bagaimana sesuatu itu terjadi atau sesuatu itu dikerjakan yang berkaitan dengan manner, kita sebut dengan adverb of manner. Carefully, quickly, fastly, happily, and many others. Now, let's have a look at the third kinds of adjective. The third kind is adverb of time. Now, when you talking, when something is happen, when we call adverb of time. Example, I have a meeting tomorrow. Tomorrow is adverb. What kind of adverb? Adverb of time. I'm teaching English right now. What is an adverb? Right now. What kind of adverb? Adverb of times. Now let's have a look the last kinds of adverb. It's about adverb of frequency. Seberapa sering. When you talking how many times you did some things, we call frequency. Adverb of frequency. Ketika kamu menjelaskan seberapa sering kamu melakukan sesuatu, itu disebut dengan frekuensi. If you do it every day, kamu bisa pakai always. I always get my breakfast. Atau hanya misalnya 4 kali dalam seminggu. I usually do some exercise in the morning. Kalau mungkin kadang-kadang saja, mungkin 2 kali dalam seminggu kamu bisa bilang I sometimes go to mall. Kalau jarang, mungkin hanya sebulan sekali atau 3 bulan sekali, you can say seldom. I seldom cry. Saya jarang menangis. Kalau kamu tak pernah melakukan, I never smoke. Saya tak pernah merokok. That's all about adverbs and kind of adverb. I hope you can understand. If you want to know much more about adverb, you can YouTube or you can Googling. There are many videos and many lessons, resources talking about adverbs. I hope you can use English with the perfect grammar, perfect sentence, and by using adverb. I think that's enough. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.